Hello everybody, and today we're going to be looking at how to share files and folders between two computers over a network. Consider that a network is not always a connection between a computer, a router, and another computer. It could also be a direct connection between one computer to another computer, which is how I have it set up here. I have this cable going into the other back-end Ethernet port of the other computer here. You see? There you go. Now I have this computer running in Windows 7 Home Premium and the other running at Windows 7 Professional, but generally the same settings apply between the advanced sharing settings that you'll have to configure in each computer. Now, depending if you're running on a home, private, public network, this icon will change, and you'll have to configure the settings individually for each type of network connection. So for example, here I have a public network connection. So open network and sharing center. It's just the same window. And unidentified network here. It identifies it as a work network. Change advanced sharing settings, home or work, which is our current profile. And you have to make sure that network discovery is turned on. File and printer sharing is turned on, and then turn on sharing so anyone with the network settings can read and write on. Use 128-bit encryption has to be on, and also password protecting has to be turned off. And allow Windows to manage home group connections, recommended just leave that on. And these settings have to be the same for each computer for this to work, for this method at least that I have. And I'll show you here. Open network and sharing center, unidentified network, public network, change advanced sharing settings, and here are the same settings. Network discovery is turned on, file and printer sharing turned on, turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files in public folders, use 128 encryption, and turn off password protected sharing. Okay, cancel. Okay, so this is the part where you have to figure out what it is exactly you want to do. If you want to have a folder here where the other computer or other computers can access it, you make a folder here. If you want to transfer files between two computers, you have to make two folders, one in each computer, with the same shared settings. So I'll show you how to do that. For example, for just one computer, to access files on one computer, you create a folder. Let's just name this LAN test. There you go, LAN test. It's a bit blurry. Okay, right click and go to properties and go to sharing and click on advanced sharing. Share this folder, setting share name, a LAN test, or whatever kind of name that you want to put. Go to permissions, and here's where you want to really identify what it is that you want to do. Do you want to read files? For example, do you have a hard drive hooked up with a bunch of movies on it like I do, and you want to stream it over a satellite top box or another computer? You just click on read. If you want to transfer files, you click on full control. And by default, all of these options have to be selected, because if you want to change, you have to have full control. If you want to read, if you want to deny full control, you have to deny change and read. But if you want to have read, that's just the order of things. You're just going to click on apply, full control, apply, click on OK, apply, click on OK, go to share icon here on top, the share button, and then choose people to share with. Now you want to click on everyone, or if you have a home group with a home group password, usually it's more safe, click on home group. Or if you want to share with both, click on everyone and home group. Click on everyone, add, make sure to not forget this, click on add, and the permission level, for example, read and write, click on share, and then there you go, your folder is shared. Land test done. Click on close. Now the reason I said at the beginning that a network can be a connection between two computers is because the computers actually, in the network settings, the two computers, this is Ben and this is Eleazar. Click on the network to go there. You can usually go to start computer, click on network, and then go to the computer you want to access files from that you shared. Double click. For example, this was LAN test. Double click, and there you go. The folder is empty. Now if you want to transfer something there, go to computer, go to whatever it is you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer a movie 12 Years a Slave, for example. Copy and LAN test, paste. Now because this is a wired connection, the speed is usually 120 megabits per second, 100 megabytes per second, sorry about that. So it's relatively going to be fast, but you also have to consider that over a network, speeds, a router, speeds usually range from 50 to 60 to 70 megabytes per second, but it's good just in case you want to share things with other people. So as you can see here, double click and we have the movie here. So it works, and if you would like to send a file from this computer to the other computer, you would have to do the same. Let me just quickly do that to show you. New folder, 1 2 3 4 5, right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share, permissions, full control, apply, share, everyone, share with everyone, add, read and write, share. Your folder has been shared. And I go to this computer, and let's say I want to transfer this movie back. So right click, copy, go to computer, go to network, let it load for a bit. There you go. Ben PC. Let it load. This is taking a bit. I might edit this out. Oh, there you go. No need to. So I have a couple of shared folders. For example, I've shared my hard drive with all the stuff in there. And here's a folder 1 2 3 4 5. Paste. Copying. This is copying a file from this computer to the other computer. The transfer speed also depends on your hard drive and the speed of your computer, so just to make sure. Now we go here, 1 2 3 4 5, and there it is. So I hope this helped, and it certainly helped me because I've been trying to figure this out for a while now. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.